As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Okay, so we're looking at two propane grills today, right? The Weber Q1200 and the Napoleon Prestige 500. Quite a difference in name alone.
Definitely. And a huge difference in size and features, too. The Weber is portable, weighs only 30 pounds. The Napoleon, that's a beast at almost 200 pounds.
Yeah, portability is key for me. The Weber seems perfect for tailgating or camping. It runs on those small propane cylinders. What about cooking space?
The Weber's got a cooking area of 189 square inches. The Napoleon blows it away with 500 square inches. Plus, it has an infrared side burner and a rear rotisserie burner. We're talking serious grilling capabilities.
Infrared? Rotisserie? Fancy. The Weber just has the one stainless steel burner, putting out 8,500 BTUs. Napoleon?
Each of the four main burners on the Napoleon puts out 12,000 BTUs. And that infrared side burner? 14,000 BTUs. Steakhouse searing, here we come.
Okay, so power and space go to Napoleon. But what about the grates? I like a good sear.
Weber has porcelain enameled cast iron grates. Napoleon uses 7.5 millimeters thick stainless steel S-wave grates. They're supposed to give you those professional grill marks.
Stainless steel does sound nice. What about ignition? I hate struggling to light a grill.
Weber has an easy start electronic ignition. Napoleon has something called a flame-throwing ignition. Sounds dramatic. Both should be reliable.
What about durability? I want something that will last.
Both seem well built. The Weber has a cast aluminum lid and body. The Napoleon is all stainless steel, even the sear plates and tube burners. That sounds incredibly durable. Plus, Napoleon has a lifetime warranty.
Lifetime warranty? Now that's impressive. One last thing. Bells and whistles. Anything cool on either of these?
The Weber has folding side tables and a built-in thermometer. The Napoleon has safety glow LED backlit control knobs that turn red when the burners are on. Also, it comes with a rotisserie kit.
Okay, so the Weber is simple, portable, and affordable. The Napoleon is a full-blown grilling machine with all the features you could want. I guess it depends on what you're looking for and how much you want to spend. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.